So you ended up with a website that is not usable since the massive traffic hit after the free Batman headlights were announced. You need to do something quick. So the first thing you need to do is to manually scale the web app so you can service more connections. Later I will show you how to set up auto-scaling based on a metric. So to start, first of all, log into the Azure portal and find your app service. This is my app service. Go to the settings and choose to scale out. Let's see, where's settings here? Scale out. Manually drag the slider to the right. One click is enough. And save. Give the settings a little time to settle in. So after a minute or time or so, you can check the website again. See if it works. So let's go back. And it looks a lot better. Scaling has now worked. So to set up the auto scaling, you need to go back to the Azure portal. And here you will click Enable Auto Scale. When you click Enable Auto Scale, you need to set up a rule. So there's a default rule, but you need to change this to something other than the default rule to be able to scale based on another metric. We're going to choose Application Insights metric to scale upon. So I'm going to choose Other Resource and Application Insights. And the resource of Application Insights. And we will change the metric to log-based metric. And we will choose server response time as our selected metric. We will set the time grain for 1 minute, and the grain statistic could be average or maximum. We will have greater than 2000 milliseconds, and the duration we will set at the lowest, which is 5 minutes. And the action is increase count by 1 instance, and the cooldown is 10 minutes. We hit update. You can see it's changed. Now we do the same for the scale in. Which is setting other resource, Application Insights. Choose the Insights account for your application. And we're going to change to log-based metric. And we're going to change it to server response time. And change the time grain for 1 minute. And the average less than, let's take 300 milliseconds. And the duration we will have, let's say, 10 minutes. And we will decrease the count by 1 instance, and the cooldown we will set to 10 minutes as well. Update. So when you come back here, hit save, and now your auto scaling is in effect. Another way of scaling your web application is by using deployment slots and use the traffic routing on those slots. So to enable that, you go into your app service and you look for deployment and deployment slots. Here we have one slot is running the application and the traffic is 100%. So we need to add another slot, give it a name, more than 2 characters. I just call this prod 2. I will clone settings from my original slot. We'll just validate here for a couple of seconds, and you hit add. So now it creates a new slot. It's in fact a complete app service with all the settings and configuration it needs. And so we need also to deploy the application to this new slot, which we will do in Azure DevOps and the release pipeline. So I would go into the Azure pipelines. Here I have my productions release. I need to clone this and call it production 2 perhaps. I'll just call it prod 2. I will go in to see the tasks. I don't need this since it's done in the first stage, so I can just disable this for the moment. By clicking that button. And then I could go into my deployment and look for the slot, and we'll change that to prod 2, and everything else is the same. So I could hit save. I say added prod 2 slot and hit OK. I can create a release. I already released the production, so do I need to do it again? Probably not. So I'll just do that. Just release to the production 2, create a release. And I will, since actually it's automated triggered by this one, I need to trigger that one manually. So I will just deploy it. And it will deploy the same artifacts as the production did. So when your application is successfully deployed to the new slot, you can change traffic routing to 50% and hit save. Now half of the traffic will go to each one of my applications. We can check still that everything works. Scaling is now also active, so it's more than one thing scaling. So it's pretty fast now. And that concludes the denial of service step by step.